In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your top row visible as you scroll in Excel. This is a simple yet incredibly useful trick that enhances your navigation and focus when working with spreadsheets, especially those packed with lots of data. By keeping the header row visible, you can always see the headings no matter how far down you scroll. This feature allows for more efficient data entry and comparison by keeping key information at your fingertips throughout your work session. Let's jump right into the process. First, you'll want to open your Excel spreadsheet where you need to keep the top row steady and visible. Once you have your desired file opened, look towards the top of your screen where you'll see multiple tabs on the ribbon: Home, Insert, Page Layout, and so on. Among these tabs, locate the one labeled View. Go ahead and click on this View tab. This brings up a new set of options specifically designed to help you organize and navigate through your worksheet. Within the View tab, you'll notice a section or a group of options labeled Window. In this section, there's an option called Freeze Panes. Clicking on Freeze Panes will present you with a drop-down menu that offers several options for freezing rows and columns. For our purpose, which is to keep the top row in place so it remains visible as you scroll, you'll want to choose Freeze Top Row from this drop-down list. Select Freeze Top Row, and you'll immediately notice that a thin line appears below your top row. This is a visual cue indicating the row has been successfully frozen. Now, as you scroll down through your spreadsheet, you'll see that this top row with your headers remains visible at the top of the window, giving you continuous access to your titles and labels. This feature allows you to easily correlate the data in each column without losing sight of what each piece of information represents. It's especially handy if you're working on large data sets and need to maintain clarity as you analyze or input information. Remember, if you ever need to unfreeze the panes, maybe to alter the setup or view the worksheet in its entirety without the frozen visuals, simply return to the same Freeze Panes menu and select Unfreeze Panes. This will revert the worksheet back to its default scrolling behavior, removing any fixed rows or columns. This convenient feature is all about enhancing your efficiency when dealing with substantial spreadsheets. It allows you to work smarter, not harder, by keeping important data in plain view. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Now you can glide effortlessly through your data while maintaining essential context at all times. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to join us next time for more Excel tips and tricks.